So here we are at the Cobham stand here at NAB 2013. This is the first of two videos that we're going to be doing here. I've got Max with me. Hello, Max.
Hello.
And we're going to be talking about mini RF transmitters and encoders. Tell us a little bit about what we've got here.
Okay, what we have here is our latest and greatest evolution in shrinking the package of a COFDM DVB-T transmitter. It's a standard definition only version. Yep. 100 milliwatts of power, but at broadcast quality pictures. What we've done, a little gimmicky setup, showing it with a GoPro. So we're kind of shrinking it to the level that you can kind of do this sort of application. And people have been quite interested in it, been drawn to it because of that. In about 6 months' time, we are looking at aiming to release the HD variant of the same product, which will feature HD SDI interfaces, HDMI interfaces, and again, DVB-T, COFDM with the usual performance that you get out of that. About 300-400 yards, non-line of sight, maybe 1 mile or 2 with line of sight, high gain antennas, and so forth.
And we're looking at something this sort of size as a transmitter.
Absolutely. So this is going to be becoming the most interesting DVB-T transmitter on the planet.
Looks amazing. What else do we have here? I know we've got some others.
What we have is this year at NAB we've launching a whole range of IP encoder products. We developed a broadcast IP encoder which allows not only a video IP streaming solution, but it allows Wi-Fi connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity. Right. What that means is that in a typical scenario where a news reporter wants to obviously hear the audio back from the studio and audio to the studio, we've increased the facility of creating such a connection by using Bluetooth, adding Bluetooth to the unit, which means that the reporter can be completely detached from the cameraman and the studio itself by listening to the studio IFB audio into his Bluetooth earpiece, and the audio from the microphone over the Bluetooth interface. Again, giving more flexibility of how news presenters work in those applications.
Excellent. So you've shown us 3 items here. I'm going to go and ask a complicated question of availability of these. Do you have any idea when these are going to be available to market?
Well, the SD variant is being released as of now, so it will be soon going into production. Probably in the next month or so, it will be a production item. The HD variant is still under development, so we're looking at launching it at IBC, so that will be September this year. So probably aim for a production and towards the end of the year, effectively.
And the encoding?
The encoding is going to production in the next couple of months. So we're already talking to a whole bunch of broadcasters who are interested in its functionality and its small package and all the flexibility that it can give them. At the moment, they're having to use maybe a multiple set of equipment and not always able to interoperate between each other. So having one solution in one package will help them a lot.
That's great, Max. Thank you. Now, if people want to find out some information about these and, of course, all the other Cobham products, is there a website they can go to?
Indeed, www.cobham.com/TCS, which is the UK office which handles all this stuff.
Max, thank you very much. Go and have a look at their website. We've used Cobham Kit before and we think it's fantastic. You should definitely go and have a look and find out some more information about all their products and services. Everything we've been doing here at NAB 2013 is on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.